After the end of World War II, the world was rebuilding and industries were under immense pressure to produce more with fewer resources. Manufacturing processes were plagued by inefficiencies, waste, delays, and high costs. In Japan, Toyota faced these very challenges. To remain competitive, Taiichi Ohno, an engineer at Toyota, began exploring solutions to address these issues. In the 1940s, Ohno introduced what would later be known as Lean, a system designed to eliminate waste and enhance production efficiency. At its core, Lean focuses maximizing value while minimizing waste. Ohno's approach focused on streamlining processes, removing unnecessary steps, reducing inventory, and eliminating delays. It emphasizes principles such as just-in-time production for streamlined operations, Jidoka, automation with a human touch, and Kaizen, a culture of continuous small improvement. Six Sigma, on the other hand, is a methodology aimed at reducing defects and ensuring consistent quality. Introduced by Bill Smith, an engineer at Motorola in the 1980s, this approach focuses on eliminating variation and optimizing processes to deliver near-perfect results. By emphasizing precision and using a data-driven approach, Six Sigma enables businesses to identify and address the root cause of defects, driving continuous improvement and operational excellence. Six Sigma methodology can be summarized with DMAIC, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. While both Lean and Six Sigma focus on business improvement, their objectives differ. Lean emphasizes improving efficiency by eliminating waste, while Six Sigma focuses on achieving precision, improving quality by reducing defects and variation. Many organizations leverage the strengths of both approaches. By merging the speed and efficiency of Lean with the quality and precision of Six Sigma, they created Lean Six Sigma, an integrated approach that focuses on both eliminating waste and reducing defects, leading to optimal performance. The principles of Lean and Six Sigma are industry agnostic. Whether you are in manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, banking, or any other, focusing on continuous improvement, reducing waste, and improving quality can make business processes more efficient and deliver greater value to customers. To discover how we can add value to your business and drive transformation with the principles of Lean and Six Sigma, write to us at business@cornercircle.in.